bersama Shiko di sini kita akan melanjutkan gameplay The Walking Dead. Nah, kemarin kita udah sampai di mana kita ketemu sama cewek yang namanya Molly gitu ya. Terus kita kejebak di parit, teman-teman. Yang sampai Shiko mati 2 kali karena Shiko tell me. Jadi tanpa berlama-lama, langsung saja kita lanjut ke chapter selanjutnya. Ciku minta maaf karena kayak nggak upload setiap hari. Itu dikarenakan Ciku masih banyak agenda lebaran, teman-teman. Kan juga kalau habis lebaran itu kan kita udah mulai sibuk ya sama kegiatan-kegiatan yang ada. Jadi Ciku minta maaf kalau misalnya uploadnya tuh kalau pas sempet aja gitu. Kita sudah bisa balik. Kita masuk di sebuah terowongan gitu ya. Oke. By the way, Ciku juga mau terima kasih buat kalian semua yang udah support Ciku dengan cara ya mengirimkan Ciku uang saku ya teman-teman. Itu bikin Ciku semangat buat konten nih. Dan uang saku itu tuh Ciku bakalan gunain buat upgrade device, teman-teman. Rencananya sih begitu ya. Kita kayak begini. Sekali lagi terima kasih ya buat kalian yang udah dukung Ciku lewat kasih uang saku gitu. Semoga rezeki kalian melimpah. Dan oh my god, rame banget.
Who are you?
Jangan Pak.
Nobody. Just lost.
Aku
Trying to
nggak-
get back home.
Aku bukan siapa.
Yeah, well, you took a wrong turn. This is our home, not yours. And you're not welcome here.
Astaga,
Look,
kita tidak
I'm
diterima.
sorry I
sama-
disturbed you folks. I'll just be going.
You can't let him leave. He's from Crawford. If he goes back there and they find out we're down here,
Are you from Crawford? Hey, don't lie to me. I'll know.
where else can he be from? Everywhere else around here is dead.
Enggak,
Came here with a small group hoping to find a boat.
iya.
Just want to get
Aku
out
cuma
of here.
cari kapal
Why
aja.
don't you just let me go?
Ain't no boats around here. Crawford took everything.
Astaga, pantas
Yeah,
aja.
I heard.
You can't trust him, Vernon. You can't let him leave.
What do you want me to do? Shoot him in the head?
Why not? Be more of a mercy than anyone from Crawford ever showed us. Think, Vernon. What do you think they'll do if they find out we're down here right under their feet?
Damn it. You're right. I'm sorry, friend.
Aku nggak dari Crawford kah?
I'm not from Crawford, but I saw what they did up there. It made me sick. I'm not like them,
Iya,
and I don't think you are either.
aku
think
nggak,
you're a good
bukan
man.
dari Crawford. Aku bahkan nggak
Keep
tahu.
back, or I swear I'll shoot.
Pelan-pelan ya.
It's all right. It's okay.
Vernon, what the hell are you doing? Vernon!
Enggak.
Relax. I'm not here to hurt you.
You're really not from Crawford?
Enggak, bukan.
I'm really not.
Well, we are, or were.
Mereka
We got
takut
out of
kalau
there
kita
when they
dari
started
Crawford.
sealing up
Gimana?
the place, started weeding out the sick and
Tapi
the old.
emang
So
apa yang
the perfect
dilakukan sama
survivor
Crawford
society
Gang
wouldn't be
itu serem
threatened.
sih.
No room for weakness or vulnerability in their little master race.
You don't look that old, so you're sick?
We're sick. We're all members of a cancer survivors group that used to meet here at the
Ternyata
hospital.
mereka adalah
We're in
pejuang.
remission. But that wasn't good enough for Crawford. They'd already rounded up 5 of us before the rest of us managed to hole up and hide from them down here. This old basement's been abandoned for years.
What is
Okay.
this? A morgue?
Yeah, irony's always high on my list when I'm looking for a place to survive. How did you find your way down here?
Nggak penting
That's
sih.
not important right now. What's important to me is that I get back to my own people.
Well, that sewer system you came through runs all over the city. It'll take you wherever you want to go.
Iya.
Those sewers are like a damn maze. Any chance you could help me find my way back?
Kita nanya
I'd like to help you, but
apakah
we've all
ada
got our own problems.
tempat
2 of
buat
our
keluar?
group are sick and need constant care. and I'm the only doctor here.
Besides, why should we help you?
Look,
Aku
sorry
harus
if I scared
balik.
you. I just want to get back to my people. Back to Clementine.
Iya.
She's your daughter?
Yeah. She's probably already wondering where I am.
Well, we can't have that, can we?
Vern, what the hell are you doing?
It's all
Kita
right,
anggap
Bree.
si
I had a daughter, too.
Clementine adalah
Lost her in the first days.
anak kita ya, teman.
I'll be damned if I'll just sit back and let that happen to someone else.
Oke.
We need you here.
Don't worry. I'll be back before you know it. Let's go see about your daughter.
Ya, kita harus pergi ke Clementine lagi. Karena kita pasti ditungguin sama putri kecil kita itu, teman. Maaf ya, saya pinjam dulu bapaknya. Sebentar aja buat cari jalan keluar. Habis itu saya balikin lagi kok, janji. Shiko lanjutin ya, teman. Jadi Shiko terima kasih banget buat kalian yang udah support. Kasih Shiko
Clementine?
uang saku gitu.
Clem?
Semoga rezeki kalian melimpah dan hidup kalian dipermudah sama yang kuasa.
Molly?
Amin.
Oh, hey, you made it back.
Ya, saya
Who's
kembali.
this?
He didn't tell you about me? Understandable, I guess. I'm the one who put that beating on him when he tried to jump me back at the river.
Molly ikut kita.
Fossil.
Where's Clementine?
Kita tanya dulu.
She's around here somewhere. Relax. I got her and Kenny both back safely. You're welcome, by the way.
Oke.
I think you have something that belongs to me.
Oh iya, itu. Ini dia. Molly ini kayak yang kemarin Chico kira Spider-Man ya, teman. Ternyata dia adalah cewek yang tangguh.
Lee, thank God you're back.
Krista, what's wrong?
It's Omid. He's gotten worse. Much
Astaga.
worse.
Kenapa?
We have a man wounded.
Who's this?
This is Vernon. He's a doctor.
Oh, thank God.
Could you take a look at him?
Semoga si
You have to
Vernon
help
bisa
us.
bantuin Omid ya, teman.
Please.
I'll see what I can do. Take me to him.
Oke. Omid katanya makin parah, teman.
Omid, honey, you're gonna be all right. Lee brought a doctor.
Semoga
All right,
nggak
let's take a
kenapa-napa
look
dan
at
nggak
it.
jadi walkers ya.
I work better without
jadi
an
zombie.
audience. Why don't you go find your little girl?
Oke, aku coba cari anak aku ya, Pak.
Clementine. Clementine?
Clementine kemana ya? Kita sambil
Clementine, you here? Clem?
Ada kah?
Ain't got time for that.
Oh iya, nggak ada ya. Sorry.
Hello?
Apa itu? Hai
What are you
Molly.
doing?
Oh, you know, just poking around.
You won't find anything. We already searched the place.
Molly, kamu
You'd be
lihat
surprised what
Clementine
people
nggak?
miss. Trust me, I've been doing this for a while.
Oke.
Where's Clementine?
Don't ask me, I'm not her keeper.
Hey, do I look like I'm in the mood to be jerked around?
Iya.
Where did she go?
Last I saw, she was downstairs with your redneck friend and that college kid who hangs around with him. Why don't you go bug them?
Redneck.
I
Ntar.
don't care about that. I just want to find Clementine.
Kita harus cari Clementine cepet-cepet, teman-teman. Redneck? Bentar. Emang kita punya temen yang pakai sesuatu merah-merah di lehernya? Ya nggak sih, artinya itu kan? Maaf ya, bahasa Inggrisku kadang suka trouble gitu loh. Tapi seenggaknya sih aku tahu mereka ngomong apa. Oh, enggak, ini sama Molly lagi. Bentar, kita bisa tanya Molly nggak sih? Lebih tepatnya gimana? Bentar ya.
Molly?
I told you that girl isn't with me. Go ask your buddies and quit bothering me.
Dia nggak mau diganggu. Berarti satu-satunya cara adalah kita cari Clementine secara manual. Otodidak, temen. Otodidak itu. Tahu udah nggak bisa lagi yang namanya apa? Kita nggak bisa bergantung pada orang
Clem?
tua.
Clementine? Clementine, you in here?
Kayak di sini.
Where is she?
Berarti sama Molly cuma dibawa pulang doang. Atau gimana sih?
Clem's drawings. But where is she?
Dia gambar kita, teman-teman. Dia gambar Lee.
Clementine?
Sampai lihat-lihat ke situ loh.
Clem, you in here?
Nggak mungkin juga ya di dalam sana. Kita lihat dari sini coba.
Don't see her anywhere out there. No walkers either, though. I'll have time to rest later. Doesn't look like she's in here.
Oh, nggak bisa. Aku kira bisa buat ini. Nggak bisa lewat situ. Kita bisa lebih cepat nggak sih lari atau apa gitu? Aku coba cari di sini.
Everything okay in there?
We're fine. Just leave us alone and let the doctor work.
Oke. Aku biarin kalian sendiri dulu di situ. Kita turun.
Clementine! Come out, please!
Jangan bikin khawatir dong.
Kenny?
Oh, hey, you made it back. Good job.
Astaga,
Good
Kenny.
job.
What the hell do you
Kamu
think you're
minum.
doing?
What does it look like?
Where'd you get the bottle?
Kenny.
Found it. You want to throw down again like back on the train? Because I fight better when I'm shit-faced.
Hey, take it easy. Think you've had enough.
To hell with you.
Getting
Wah.
wasted's not gonna help anyone.
Yeah? Well, what is? We are fucked.
Mulai lagi dah, kelahi lagi.
Molly said there's not a single boat left in Savannah. No way out. We got walkers all around us, that crazy fuck on the radio messing with us. Hell, if now ain't the time for a drink?
Astaga. Dia udah merasa ini, teman. Oke, gimana ya? Ben, kamu lihat Clementine gak, Ben? Kenapa kamu
Have
harus
either
muter
of you
sih?
seen Clementine?
Damned if I know. Gotta be around here somewhere.
Ben, I gave you one job when I left here. Take care of
Iya,
Clementine.
kenapa
Then she
kalian
shows up
nggak
out on River Street looking for me.
Astaga.
The hell happened?
Hey, don't put all that on me. Omid took a turn for the worse, and Krista asked me to help. I'm sorry, I'm doing the best I can here. She was frantic, and things got kinda crazy. I told Clementine to stay put. What else could I do?
Don't be sorry. Just tell me where the hell she is now.
Iya.
I think she went out to play in the backyard.
On her own. With no one watching her?
Man, will you get off my back?
Astaga.
She's fine out there.
She better be or it's your ass.
Kenapa kamu teledor sekali, Ben?
Clementine? Clementine!
Ini si Ben sih sumpah ya.
Door's covered in vines. Don't think anyone came in through there.
Iya, nggak mungkin. Nggak mungkin kan ada di situ? Nggak ada teman-teman, bener-bener nggak ada di sini. Astaga, cuman ngejagain Clementine aja nggak bisa loh mereka. Paling mau nggak mau kita harus keluar nggak sih? Ada suara di situ. Hah? Clementine?
Hey, girl.
Come look! Look what I found!
Apa tuh? Kamu lihat apa? Apa itu? Wow.
Whoa.
I know, right?
Bisa lah kita pergi dari sini. Kayaknya langsung nggak jadi hopeless, teman. Oke. Bisa lah kita pergi dari sini. Harusnya. Udah apa, Fernan? Apakah Omid masih bisa diselamatkan?
Omid's doing okay?
As well as can be expected under the
Kita tanya tentang Omid dulu
circumstances.
ya.
I did what I could for him. Cleaned out the wound, but he's got a real infection. Running a fever. Without antibiotics,
Will you quit pacing? You're making everyone nervous.
Why are you even still here?
Hey, if your friend really can get that boat working, you're taking me with you as payment for saving your asses. I figure that's fair enough, don't you?
Aduh, malah jadi Clyde.
Well?
You want the good news or the bad news?
Bed dulu
Let's get
aja.
the bad news out of the way first.
Bad news is, she's not taking us anywhere the shape she's in right now. Gas tank's empty and the battery's dead.
So what's the good news?
Iya.
That's it. That's all she needs. Some gas and a battery. Other than that, she's good to go.
Well, how are we supposed to get that stuff?
Kita bisa cari.
We should go back out on the street, see what we could find.
Iya.
That's not gonna work. Crawford took everything and brought it inside their walls. They siphoned every gas tank, stripped every battery. There's nothing left out there. You saw that for yourselves.
she's right.
Oh, nggak mungkin
Well,
bisa.
what about this Crawford place? Sounds like they'd have everything we need. Maybe we should try there.
Now hold on a minute.
Surely we have to try. If there are people left in this city who are still alive, who still have supplies, what harm can it do to ask?
Trust me, you don't know these people. I do.
Iya
You
sih,
showing
bener
up with
juga
a
sih.
wounded man? Might as well put a noose around his neck. They don't exactly welcome children with open arms either.
What the hell kind of a place are we talking about here?
The worst kind? But I don't see what other choice we have.
And just how exactly do you figure we do this? Because from what I've heard, that place ain't exactly friendly to outsiders.
That's putting it mildly.
We negotiate with them like civilized people.
Bisa nggak ya
We
kita
must have something
negosiasi?
they'd be interested in taking in trade.
Negotiate? With Crawford? Once again, I have to remind you. You have no idea what these people are like. They'll take what they want, and then decide whether or not to let any of you live.
So what? No one has any ideas?
There might
Sesusah
actually be
itu
a
kah
way.
Crawford?
I know the sewer system that runs beneath Crawford like the back of my hand. Y'all wouldn't happen to have a map by any chance.
Yeah, actually.
I think I could lead us through so we could pass under the perimeter and right into the center where they keep their supplies. We come up right underneath them, take them by surprise, grab what we need, and get out before they even knew what hit them.
Okay, that's not bad. That's better.
I've thought about it before, just never had the people to do it. But I think if we all work together, we could pull it off.
And what do you want in return for all this help you're giving us?
Crawford doesn't just have what you need for your boat. They're also well stocked with medical supplies. Medicine that my people could use, just as yours could.
We can do this. We have to.
So, it's decided then? We're going to Crawford? I don't know about you, kid, but I'd rather take a chance on doing something than just sitting around here waiting to die. That boat out there is an answered prayer. Just gotta push a little bit farther. Are you in or out?
We should go tonight, under cover of dark. I'll go let my people know. Give you all a chance to prepare. I'll be back before midnight.
Be careful.
Oke.
That's how I'm still alive.
I told you to stay in your room. How long have you been there?
Is it going to be dangerous?
It's what gonna be
Banget.
dangerous.
Jangan
Crawford.
pergi lagi.
I can't lie to you, Clem. Yeah,
Iya.
it's gonna be dangerous. But it's the only way to get the things we need to make Omid better and get the boat working. That's why we have to do this. Do you understand?
Jangan hilang-hilang lagi ya, Clem.
I
Karena
don't
ini
want
bahaya
anyone else to
banget.
die.
Tuh, makanya.
Neither do I, Clem, but sometimes we have to take that kind of risk.
Mm-mm.
I guess I should go get ready.
Say what now?
You said you'd need all of us to do this, and you said I'm a big help, remember? Molly said Crawford is the only place left in Savannah that still has people. That means it must be where my mom and dad are, right?
Clementine, I think it'd be safer for you to stay here with Omid.
Ya.
What if something happens to him while you're gone?
What do you mean?
He's sick. If he doesn't get better and, you know, he might try to hurt me.
Oh iya, bener sih. Tiba-tiba bisa jadi Walker juga dia, si Omid.
Can't I come with you?
Lebih amannya gimana ya? Yaudah yuk, boleh
Okay,
yuk.
you can come, but you have to promise to stay quiet and do exactly what you're told the whole time we're there.
Okay, I'm gonna go get ready.
Kita bawa aja deh daripada dia hilang-hilang lagi. Ya nggak sih? Atau salah? Ya nggak sih teman-teman? Atau salah? Aduh. Gimana ya? Ciku udah terlanjur lagi. Ini kita udah siap-siap mau pergi deh ini.
Check out what I found in the garage. Hatchet, hacksaw, some other tools. Might come in handy on this little break-in.
Nice.
Can I talk to you a minute?
Boleh?
What's up?
I took another look at the boat. She's a 30-footer.
So?
So, we're gonna have a capacity problem. Assuming everyone makes it back alive, there ain't gonna be room for everyone.
What are you trying to say?
Just giving you a heads up is all. Thought you ought to know.
Ciku kira suara apa?
Who the hell is this?
This is Bree. She can help us.
Good. We're gonna need all the help we can get.
I was a student at the school where Crawford keeps their supplies. I know the layout.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's get moving.
Kalian tahu nggak sih teman-teman? Waktu Ciku lihat si Molly, vibes-nya itu kayak Jet
Hold up
Valorant.
just a sec.
Iya nggak sih? Atau beda?
You ready?
Atau
Ready.
kalian punya pendapat
Hey,
lain?
whoa, hold on a
Molly
minute.
mirip
You're
siapa?
not taking her with us. Did you not hear anything I said about the kind of place Crawford is? If you take her in there and they find her...
This little girl's not just excess baggage. She's gotten us out of a tight spot more than once. She's coming. Deal with it.
You heard the man. Let's move out.
Kita udah nggak punya banyak waktu buat berdebat sih sebenarnya. Oke. Ayo kita pergi. Tapi Omid kasihan dong sendirian itu di rumah. Semoga Omid nggak jadi zombie ya.
This should be it. We're right underneath the center of Crawford. The old school should be directly above us.
Okay, people. This is it. Remember the plan. We stay quiet, we stay hidden, and we stay together. We find what we need, and we get the hell out before anyone even knows we're there. Got it?
Iya. Oke.
And that part about staying close, that goes double for you.
Kita inget suruh Clementine jangan aneh-aneh.
Can't get a good look above with the cover on.
Ya. Pelan-pelan aja.
Let's go.
Karena kita nggak tahu ada zombie di mana kan, teman-teman. Iya nggak sih?
Where is everybody? There should be guards patrolling.
What? You disappointed?
It's just strange is all.
I think I see one. Over there by the door.
Oh itu, anggota Crawford teman-teman.
Okay. Me and Kenny will sneak up, try to take him out quiet. The rest of you wait for our signal, then follow us over. Everybody got it? Okay, Kenny, let's do this quiet. No shooting unless there's no other choice.
Right
Jangan
behind you.
tembak ya. Kayaknya kita bakalan silent kill deh.
What the fuck?
Oh no, zombie. Kaget. Kaget siku, astaga. Zombie loh itu. Ada lagi. Zombinya.
What the fuck is a walker doing inside here?
Iya.
Get inside, fast!
Kok jadi banyak walkers, teman-teman? Oke, kita udah masuk ke tempatnya si Crawford ya, teman-teman. Dan kemungkinan Crawford berubah menjadi zombie. Padahal mereka yang sabotase semua supplies dan lain-lain. Tapi kenapa mereka yang gak selamat ya? Oke.
Fuck! Do you think they saw us?
I don't think so. I think we're good. For now, at least.
What
Tapi
the
serius
hell
zombie
happened
gimana?
here? I thought this place was supposed to be secure.
Iya.
What always happens, I guess. In the end, the dead always win.
Oh man, we are so screwed.
No, this is good.
Padahal mereka lama loh.
What? How the fuck is this good?
Iya, kenapa ya?
Before, everyone at Crawford was smart and they had guns.
Heeh.
Now they're dumb and they don't. Hey, trying to look on the bright side here.
Oh iya, benar.
I agree.
Dulu
So
mereka
long as we
pintar,
don't let
tapi
them box
sekarang
us in,
mereka
we
udah
can
jadi
still do
zombie,
this.
jadi
The
mereka
plan
udah
hasn't
mulai
changed.
bodoh.
The plan hasn't changed?
Dan
Every time
biasa
walkers
zombie
show
kalian
up, the
tahu
plan
zombie.
changes. Do you even
Kenapa?
have any idea how many of them
Zombie
are out
tidak
there?
punya
No.
otak.
You want to
teman-teman.
do a head count? Or do you want to get what we need and get the hell out of here?
Zombie tak ada
Come on,
otak.
I think I know
Kalaupun
which way to
ada
head.
otaknya, mereka nggak berguna. Jadi kita bisa lebih cepat babat mereka.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Ben, diam. Kamu tidak perlu banyak bicara. Karena kalau kamu bicara, kita akan makin susah. Mana Clementine, teman? Oh, dia pendek. Kok serem ya suaranya?
Just keep moving.
Iya, jangan dihiraukan suara zombinya itu.
Here.
Oh, itu ada Clementine. Dia pendek, makanya nggak kelihatan tadi. Pelan-pelan aja,
Looks
Lee.
okay. Everybody in.
Oke, kita masuk ke sebuah tempat yang sepertinya aman. Kita pelan-pelan aja ya, teman-teman. Di mana ini sekarang?
Figures.
mereka kayak udah ada tanda.
Looks like they were using this room as some kind of command center.
Iya. Kayak rencana strategi gitu.
Okay, so now what? Where do we start looking?
Kita tadi perlu cari gas sama bensin ya, kalau nggak salah.
Here.
Pokoknya kita cari supplies deh, kalau nggak salah.
Just give me a sec.
Si Bray harusnya bisa karena dia.
Where can we find some fuel for the boat?
Iya. Bensin.
There's a maintenance shed across from the playground here. If they were storing fuel, that's probably where it'll be.
Kalau obat?
Where would be the best place to look for medicine?
Right here. Nurse's station. They were using it as a medical facility.
Oke.
How do you know that?
Just makes sense, doesn't it?
So then we just
Tapi
need a battery.
bisa jadi si Molly itu
Some
salah
shop.
satu dari
Right
Crawford
next door.
juga sih, cuman dia berkhianat bisa jadi.
Yep, it's called Herman's. You can't miss it.
Okay, I'll make the run to the maintenance shed for the fuel.
It'll be faster if I go with you. I can take you right to it.
I'll come too.
No, 2 people's enough. You stay here, see if you can use any of those tools we brought to get that armory door open. We might need to
Okay.
shoot our way out of here.
I'll go for the medicine.
I'll come with you. I know what to take.
Okay. Guess that leaves me to go find us a battery.
I'll go with you.
Iya,
Watch
kita
your
cari.
back.
Okay, we've got a plan. Everyone be careful. Stay close to one another. We'll all meet back here.
Kita berdua teman-teman. Kita sama Molly. Ayo Molly. Ayo Clementine, kita bertiga. Bawa bocil 1.
What about me? What can I do?
I need you to stay here with Ben and watch over our command center. I'm putting you in charge of it, okay?
Tapi aku nggak percaya sama Ben teman.
You're leaving me with Ben?
I'm not leaving you with Ben. I'm leaving him with you. Understand?
Oh, okay.
Back before you know it.
Jangan kemana-mana, Clem. Bisa diajak gak sih teman-teman? Aku nggak percaya sama Ben. Bisa gak sih diajak aja deh. Kamu ikut nggak?
You okay, Clem?
Yeah. This desk is just like the ones we have in my school. I know it's weird, but I kinda miss it. Being in school.
Ya, posisinya lagi kayak gini, kamu nggak mungkin. Aku
Me
juga
too.
kangen
I
belajar.
used to be a teacher, remember?
Kangen
Tell you what.
ngajar.
When we find ourselves a safe place, set up a little classroom. Just you and me.
Will there be homework?
Ada
No
PR.
homework.
Oke. Nggak ada PR.
Do you think things will ever be normal again? Just like the way they were before?
Yeah. It may take a while, but yeah, I do.
Kita harus
Don't
percaya
you?
diri dulu.
I hope so.
That's good. You hold on to that hope. It's the one thing none of this can take away.
Oke.
Looks like they had quite a system here. Crawford's final solution.
Ben, awas kamu.
Hey, you need any help with that?
Thanks, I got it. Just once, I'd like to do something useful, you know?
Well, I'll let you get on with it.
Kita biarin dia. Kita nggak ada
No,
peringatin.
There is something you can help me with. Something that's been on my mind. I could use your opinion.
Apa?
What is it?
It's Kenny. Since I've been helping him work on the boat, I've gotten to know him a little better. He's a good guy, you know? And it's eating me up knowing what I know. I've been thinking about telling him the truth.
Ben, come on. This again?
Iya.
It's my fault Duck and Katja got killed. If I hadn't screwed up back at the motor inn, they'd still be alive. How am I supposed to just carry something like that around? I have to tell him.
Look, Ben, I really don't have time for this.
Iya.
You don't get it, Lee. What am I supposed to do whenever he talks about Katya and Duck? Just nod and pretend like it wasn't my fault? I can't do it anymore.
There'll come a time when he's ready to hear it. But it's
Yeah.
not now. Not yet.
Tunggu waktu,
I hear
Ben.
you. I'm gonna get back to this.
Kamu ini suka kayak gitu ya?
Might come back for these later. Any reading material would be nice once we get on that boat.
Ayo, yaudah. Ayo kita susul si Molly dulu. Oke, mungkin untuk bagian ini kita lanjutin di chapter depan aja ya teman-teman. Ciku takut sih sebenarnya Clementine hilang lagi, tapi ya sudahlah, memang nggak ada pilihan buat take Clementine juga kan. Jadi mungkin sampai di sini dulu aja teman-teman. Terima kasih buat kalian yang sudah menonton. Buat kalian yang mau komen dan ya intinya mau berteori tentang ini, kalau ada yang mau kasih tahu Shiku kenapa sih, lebih tepatnya Shiku tuh bertanya tentang ini sih, tentang si Molly sih. Sebenarnya Molly itu siapa sih teman-teman? Apakah dia termasuk Crawford atau dia itu cuman orang sekitar yang tahu tentang kelakuannya Crawford gitu? Kalian boleh komen di bawah ya teman-teman. Kalian boleh kasih pendapat kalian di bawah ini biar Shiku tuh makin hati-hati gitu loh kalau misalnya mau pilih dialog gitu. Terus buat kalian yang mau support Shiku, kalian bisa pergi ke bagian Saweria di bawah ya. Berapapun itu Shiku tetap ngehargain kok, karena Shiku tahu kalian adalah penyemangat Shiku untuk tetap nonton dan main game juga. Gitu sih. Dan itu nggak wajib ya teman-teman, terserah kalian aja. Jadi terima kasih buat kalian yang udah menonton. Sampai jumpa lagi dan bye bye.